This is Jack. He slaves away 40 hours a week at a job he hates. He has no savings, and at the end of every week he goes out and parties. In his free time he scrolls social media and swipes Tinder, chasing the next hit of easy dope. This is Chad. He has his own business and reinvests all the money he makes into building his dream life. In his free time he builds connections and hits the gym. Instead of chasing women, he lets them chase him. Ask yourself and be honest. Which one are you? For most people it'd be somewhere between the two. If you want to be more like Chad, then this video is exactly for you. Today I'm going to share you the complete guide on how to get ahead of most people. Most people won't even reach the end of this video, let alone take action. If you manage to listen to all these points and implement them afterwards, you'll have a big advantage. It's quite a simple concept. If you want to be better than 99% of people in the world, then you need to be willing to do things that 99% are not willing to do. I know, that sounds obvious. With a bunch of videos coming out promising you to get ahead of 99% of people, but then all tell you the same. Work on your health, work on your finances, get more resources, more connections, or more power. All of this still holds true. If you can find literally hundreds of videos on YouTube telling you how to be better than 99% of the people, then it won't be enough for you to actually succeed. Here's a harsh truth. When it comes to success, the productivity planners, the morning routines, most of this stuff doesn't matter for you to succeed. To prove my point, I'm going to share with you the key lessons and strategies you can leverage to achieve extraordinary success and stand out from the masses. Section 1. Gain clarity and define your vision. It is crucial to emphasize the importance of gaining clarity and understanding the desired direction in life. Take a moment to reflect on the significance of becoming aware of what you don't want and the consequences of mindless actions in order to gain this clarity. Point 1. Identify what you don't want. To define your vision, it is essential to define and outline what you don't want in your life. Take the time to reflect and make a list of everything you wish to avoid or eliminate. Point 2. Create an anti-vision. Creating an anti-vision can be a powerful tool to actually define your vision. An anti-vision is a visual or written representation of every experience you don't want to have in your life. Recognize the significance of this exercise to lead yourself on a path to success. Point 3. Develop a specific plan and strategy. Going beyond mere dreams, it is specifically needed that you create a plan for your future. Break down your vision in actionable steps and set goals. Detail day-to-day activities that align with your vision to ensure progress. Section 2. Embracing mastery and consistent practice. Achieving extraordinary success requires embracing mastery and consistent practice. Highlight the fact that quick results are not the goal, but rather a commitment to continuous improvement and dedication. Point 1. Embrace boring fundamentals and repetitive actions. True mastery comes from embracing the fundamentals and being willing to repeat the same actions over and over again. Focus on core skills and foundational knowledge in your area or field. Recognize the significance of consistency and persistence in honing these skills over time. Point 2. Commit to consistent practice. Consistent practice is crucial for developing expertise. Establish a daily practice routine that aligns with your goals. Understand that progress may not always be immediately visible. Consistent practice will yield long-term results. Point 3. Cultivate dedication and perseverance. Perseverance and dedication play a vital role in the journey towards mastery. Stay committed to your goals, even faced with challenges and setbacks. Find inspiration in the examples of successful individuals who have achieved greatness through their dedication. Section 3. Taking action and seeking mentorship. Taking action and seeking guidance from mentors are important steps on the path to success. Highlight the fact that learning from those who have already achieved what you aspire to can greatly accelerate your progress. Point 1. Become insanely competitive and focus on winning. Adopt a competitive mindset and strive for success. Develop a relentless drive to achieve more and work longer than others in your field. Acknowledge that the education system and social media have made success more complicated, necessitating a competitive edge. Point 2. Prioritize your goals over work-life balance. Prioritize your goals and be willing to take sacrifices in other areas of your life. Become hyper-obsessive with your goals and dedicate time and energy to achieving them. Find a balance that aligns with your priorities. Point 3. Transition from consumer to producer. Shift from being a consumer to being a producer of value. Create something of worth that others will buy or benefit from. While completely cutting consumer habits may be unrealistic, sliding towards the producer end of the scale is essential. Point 4. Ask quality questions and seek mentors. Ask quality questions when seeking advice from mentors. Busy individuals appreciate concise questions that demonstrate genuine interest and initiative. Actively seek mentors and take action on their advice. Section 4. Making adjustments and leveraging unfair advantages. Making adjustments and leveraging unfair advantages can give you a competitive edge. Small changes and capitalizing on personal strength can lead to significant advancement. Point 1. Make small adjustments in trajectory. Consistently make small adjustments in your approach and trajectory. These incremental changes can result to a better outcome than sticking to the original path. Regularly reflect on your path and make adjustments where necessary. Point 2. Implement lessons learned. Learn from your experiences and implement the lessons you've learned. Reflect from your successes and failures, extracting valuable insights and applying them to future projects. The willingness to adapt and grow is crucial for long-term success. Point 3. Leverage unfair advantages. Identify and leverage your unique unfair advantages. Recognize your individual strengths, resources, and talents that give you an edge. Use these advantages strategically to excel in your field. Section 5. Redefining success and overcoming money beliefs. Redefining success beyond just monetary wealth and overcoming limiting beliefs about money is essential. True success encompasses personal growth, skills, knowledge, and positive impact on others. Point 1. Success is not solely determined by net worth. Expand your definition of success to include personal fulfillment and serving others. Evaluate achievements and contributions holistically. Point 2. Become less awkward with money. Overcome scarcity beliefs and develop a healthy relationship with money. Be comfortable with money, which allows you to ask for raises, start businesses, and give it to others. Point 3. Focus on personal growth and skills. Prioritize personal growth, acquiring skills, and getting more knowledge. Invest in continuous learning and self-improvement. Personal development contributes to long-term success. Section 6. Eliminating entropy and focusing your energy. Entropy has its detrimental effects on progress and success. You need it to eliminate negative influences and focus your mental energy on the desired vision. Point 1. Cut out what doesn't belong in your life. Eliminate negative influences, bad habits, and unproductive relationships. Assess your environment and identify elements that hinder your progress. Create space for positive influences and healthy, productive habits. Point 2. Prevent energy drain and maintain focus. Declutter your mind and focus on your vision. To maintain focus, use strategies like time management, prioritization, and boundary setting. Section 7. Prioritize overall well-being. Prioritizing overall well-being is crucial for sustained success and fulfillment. Highlight key areas such as sleep, nutrition, movement, sunlight, and social connections. Point 1. Quality sleep for mental and physical health. Quality sleep is essential for physical and mental well-being. It promotes wound healing, recovery, hormone regulation, and overall vitality. Prioritize sleep and establish healthy sleep habits. Point 2. Nutrients and balanced diet. Maintain optimal health through a diet that contains macronutrients and micronutrients. Limit highly processed foods to improve your well-being. Point 3. Movement and exercise. Engage in movement and exercise to boost your vitality. Combine cardiovascular exercise and resistance training for a maximum benefit. Point 4. Sunlight and artificial light management. Benefit from sunlight exposure during the day for circadian rhythm regulation and vitamin D synthesis. Minimize artificial light exposure in the evening and night for better sleep and overall well-being. Point 5. Nurturing social connections and relationships. Social connections and relationships are essential for well-being. Nurture both interpersonal connection and self-connection, even for introverted individuals. Conclusion. Embrace being exceptional and do not let criticism discourage you. Implement the lessons learned and leverage your unfair advantages. Success is within your reach if you take full responsibility and commit to your goals. If you've watched this video to this point, leave a comment saying I'm in the 1% club to show others that you've listened to this entire video and are ready to take actions. If you want to know more about 4 bad habits that drain your mental health, watch this video.